Hi, my name is Greg Land and I represent aerobotics in Florida. In the age of greening, managing citrus groves has become much more complicated. Our trees don't grow as fast, produce as much, or live as long as they did before HLB took hold. Keeping up with these changes to manage grove inventory, yield projections, and the associated effects on costs and budgeting has become a guessing game. So the big question is, if you don't know your numbers, then how do you make good strategic planning decisions? Using drone imaging and advanced artificial intelligence technology, aerobotics is now being used by some of the top growers in Florida to help them answer these complex questions. We help solve problems like accurate tree counts and tree age and size data. Every Florida grower knows that they need accurate tree counts and tree age data every year by April 15th for tree and crop insurance submissions. Aerobotics solves this with fast and accurate tree counts. We get 97% plus accuracy on your tree counts and supply your tree age and size data. Another problem Florida growers face is tree inventory management. Due to HLB and tree counts that can change dramatically annually, growers struggle to maintain an accurate tree inventory from year to year for management purposes. The aerobotics solution is per tree data that can be downloaded for each grove and imported into your chosen spreadsheet software. This gives the grower a baseline version of an inventory management system which they can manually update as trees are removed or new trees are planted. What about strategic planning? To make good strategic planning decisions, the grower needs accurate data. Aerobotics provides data that shows the exact tree count and missing trees, tree metrics on accurate sizes for tree canopy area and canopy volume, and health data at a per tree level. There are a number of ways that this data can be reviewed, filtered, and grouped to help you with your strategic planning. For example, using the AeroView grouping function, grove data can be segmented by tree size and then analyzed for health status. Growers can then view the tree size versus health status to build a snapshot of the health and production capability of a grove. On the platform, growers can group trees by per tree or zone data based on any criteria in order to track changes, plan tree removals and resets, monitor the effectiveness of applications, and even make more accurate yield projections. Join the trailblazing Florida citrus growers who are already enjoying the benefits of enhanced grove data. Request a meeting today to discuss how we can benefit your operations.